Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding photos on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will be showing you how to do this with the Secure Folder app that is built into Samsung phones. If you have an older Samsung though, you may need to download the Secure Folder app in the App Store before you follow these steps. Open up the Settings app on your phone. In Settings, scroll down to and tap on Biometrics and Security. Tap on Secure Folder. Tap Agree and then log in to your Samsung account. Here you can choose between a pattern, PIN or password to unlock your secure folder. Make sure the toggle is switched on to the right of fingerprint if you want to be able to use your fingerprint to unlock your secure folder. Tap Next. Create your pattern, PIN or password and tap Confirm. Then type it again to confirm it. Your secure folder will be created. It will have a few apps in it by default, one of which is the Gallery app. But this Gallery app is completely separate from the normal Gallery app on your phone and won't have any of the photos from your normal gallery. Now exit out of the secure folder and open up your normal Gallery app and find and open the photo you would like to hide. Tap on the three dots button in the bottom right of the photo. Then select Move to Secure Folder from the options that appear. That photo will be moved from your normal gallery to the gallery inside your secure folder. You can find your secure folder on your Apps screen. When I open up the gallery of my secure folder now, you can see the photo I sent is there. There is also a camera app in your secure folder that is completely separate from your normal camera app. Photos you take with the secure folder camera will save to the secure folder gallery and not your normal gallery. When you lock your phone, your secure folder will lock, and when you want to access it again, you will have to enter the PIN or scan your fingerprint. You can also lock the secure folder manually if you aren't locking your phone but want the folder to lock. To do this, tap on the three dots button in the top right of the secure folder, then tap Lock and Exit. The secure folder will close and lock. The next time you open it, you will have to enter your PIN or scan your fingerprint. The secure folder has loads of different uses and features, and if you want to learn more about it, check the video description for a link to a video I made about it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.